Can we repost full or long reel on Instagram story? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first of all, open Instagram app. Sign into your account. Proceed towards reel icon at bottom right. And after that, you have to choose a reel video. Tap share icon at bottom right. Now tap add to story. And check whether or not you are able to repost full or long Instagram reel video on your story or not. Tap your story at bottom left and it will be added. But you need to note that you are not able to repost full or long reel on Instagram story. If the reel video is very short, then it's quite easy. But in case if it is long or full reel, then you won't be able to repost all those on Instagram story. You have to split it and only you'll be able to repost it. Only certain part will be reposted on your Instagram story and other won't. So currently Instagram doesn't provide us that feature to repost full or long reel on Instagram story. So you simply need to be updated about this feature of Instagram by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell so that you will get updates about this soon. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.